Hi my friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're gonna be talking about dropshipping. First of all, what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a business model that allows you to easily make money online without having any inventory. You can earn money through dropshipping without spending a dime to store your goods in a warehouse. But how can we do that? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to do that. If you're ready, let's jump in. In order to do that, you'll need two different websites. One should be a supplier website, another one can be any marketplaces where you want to sell on. At this point, AliExpress is gonna be our supplier website. We can find as many products as we want here. So where we're gonna sell? That's a good question, my friend. There are many websites such as Amazon, eBay, Etsy to dropship. You can sell the products you'll find from AliExpress on these websites. What kind of products can you sell? Actually, you can sell any products but brand items. Trademark products may result in suspension of our account in the future. Therefore, you should be careful while finding products. How dropshipping works? Let's assume you want to sell this product, and as you can see, the item price is $10 and you want to sell this on Amazon. All you have to do is just list this product with your own price on Amazon. Let's assume you want to sell this for $15. When your customer pays, you'll pay your supplier. You'll keep the price difference, which is $15, but you're not gonna get all this amount because you'll have to pay Amazon fees. Let's say you're gonna pay $5 to Amazon, so the final amount will be $10, right? This is your net profit, my friends. You can surely add any profit margin you'd like. You'll also consider shipping prices. You can apply this tactic to any other products. As you can see, dropshipping works like this. No worries, no need to be confused. I'm gonna be making more videos regarding this and sharing with you in this channel. In this video, I just wanted to give you a little bit of information about dropshipping. I wanted you to know what dropshipping is, but in the next video, we're gonna find products together. This is the end of my video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.